Overview of AWS Services. AWS Compute Services. 1. Amazon EC2 provides scalable computing capacity in the AWS cloud. Amazon EC2 Auto-Scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances for your application based on its needs. Amazon EC2 Image Builder, an automated and secure way to build, store, and deploy machine images. Amazon Lightsail, designed for simpler projects, offering everything needed to build an application or website, plus a cost-effective, monthly plan. Amazon Linux 2023, a Linux server designed for use in the AWS cloud. AWS App Runner, a fully managed service that makes it easy for developers to quickly deploy containerized web applications and APIs, at scale and with no prior infrastructure experience required. AWS Batch enables developers, scientists, and engineers to easily and efficiently run hundreds of thousands of batch computing jobs on AWS. AWS Compute Services. 2. AWS Elastic Beanstalk, an easy-to-use service for deploying and scaling web applications and services. AWS Fargate, a serverless compute engine for containers that works with both Amazon Elastic Container Service, ECS, and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS. AWS Lambda lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. AWS Serverless Application Repository, a managed repository for serverless applications. AWS Outposts brings AWS services, infrastructure, and operating models to virtually any data center, colocation space, or on-premises facility. AWS Wavelength delivers ultra-low latency applications for mobile devices and end users with 5G. VMware Cloud on AWS, an integrated cloud offering jointly developed by AWS and VMware, delivering a highly scalable, secure and innovative service. AWS Storage Services. 1. AWS Backup, a fully managed backup service that makes it easy to centralize and automate the backup of data across AWS services. Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS, provides block-level storage volumes for use with EC2 instances for both throughput and transaction-intensive workloads. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery minimizes downtime and data loss with fast, reliable recovery of physical, virtual, and cloud-based servers into AWS. Amazon Elastic File System, EFS, provides a simple, scalable, fully managed Elastic NFS file system for use with AWS cloud services and on-premises resources. Amazon File Cache, a high-speed cache on AWS for on-premises file systems. Amazon FSx for Lustre, a fully managed file system that is optimized for compute-intensive workloads, like high-performance computing, machine learning, and media data processing workflows. AWS Storage Services. 2. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP, a fully managed storage service with features, performance, and APIs of ONTAP file systems. Amazon FSx for OpenZFS, a fully managed file system built on the OpenZFS file system, optimized for high-performance workloads. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server provides a fully managed native Microsoft Windows file system. Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3, offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. AWS Storage Gateway, a hybrid storage service that enables your on-premises applications to seamlessly use AWS cloud storage. AWS Database Services. 1. Amazon Aurora, a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database built for the cloud. Amazon DynamoDB, a key value and document database that delivers single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. Amazon ElastiCache improves the performance of web applications by allowing you to retrieve information from fast, managed, in-memory caches. Amazon Keyspaces, for Apache Cassandra, a scalable, highly available, and managed Apache Cassandra-compatible database service. Amazon MemoryDB for Redis, a Redis-compatible, durable, in-memory database service that delivers ultra-fast performance. Amazon Neptune, a fast, reliable, fully managed graph database service. AWS Database Services. 2. Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. Amazon RDS on VMware brings the RDS experience to VMware vSphere on-premises environments. Amazon Quantum Ledger Database, QLDB, a fully managed ledger database that provides a transparent, immutable, and cryptographically verifiable transaction log. Amazon TimeStream, a fast, scalable, and serverless time series database service. Amazon DocumentDB, with MongoDB compatibility, a fast, scalable, highly available, and fully managed document database service that supports MongoDB workloads. Amazon Lightsail Managed Databases provides a simple and cost-effective option for lighter database workloads. AWS Networking and Content Delivery Services. 1. Amazon API Gateway makes it easy for developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at any scale. Amazon CloudFront, a fast content delivery network, CDN, service that securely delivers data, videos, applications, and APIs to customers globally. Amazon Route 53, a highly available and scalable cloud domain name system, DNS, web service. AWS Verified Access provides secure, conditional access to your applications without a VPN. Amazon VPC lets you provision a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud where you can launch AWS resources in a virtual network that you define. Amazon VPC Lattice, a networking service that simplifies the creation of scalable, high-performance networks in the cloud. AWS App Mesh makes it easy to monitor and control microservices running on AWS. AWS Cloud Map, a cloud resource discovery service. AWS Networking and Content Delivery Services. 2. AWS Direct Connect makes it easy to establish a dedicated network connection from your premises to AWS. AWS Global Accelerator improves the availability and performance of applications with local or global users. AWS Private Link provides private connectivity between VPCs and AWS services, securely on the Amazon network. AWS Private 5G, a managed service that enables you to set up and scale private 5G networks in your facilities. AWS Transit Gateway enables you to connect your Amazon VPCs and on-premises networks to a single gateway. AWS VPN establishes a secure and private tunnel from your network or device to the AWS global network. Elastic Load Balancing automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as Amazon EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses. AWS Application Integration Services. 1. AWS Step Functions coordinates multiple AWS services into serverless workflows so you can build and update apps quickly. Amazon App Flow enables secure, automated data flows between AWS services and SaaS applications. Amazon Event Bridge, a serverless event bus service that makes it easy to connect applications using data from your own apps, SaaS, and AWS services. Amazon Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow, MWAA, a managed service that makes it easy to run Apache Airflow on AWS, scaling resources automatically. AWS Application Integration Services. 2. Amazon MQ, a managed message broker service for Apache ActiveMQ and RabbitMQ that makes it easy to set up and operate message brokers on AWS. Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS, a managed service that provides message delivery from publishers to subscribers, also known as producers and consumers. Amazon Simple Queue Service, SQS, a fully managed message queuing service that enables you to decouple and scale microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. Amazon Simple Workflow Service, SWF, a web service that makes it easy to coordinate work across distributed application components. AWS Analytics Services. 1. Amazon Athena, an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. Amazon Cloud Search, a managed service in the cloud that makes it easy to set up, manage, and scale a search solution for your website. Amazon Data Zone, a comprehensive data management and governance service to discover, catalog, share, and govern data across organizations. Amazon EMR, a cloud big data platform for processing massive amounts of data using open source tools such as Apache Hadoop, Spark, Base, and more. Amazon FinSpace, a data management and analytics service for financial services, providing a scalable platform to store, manage, and analyze financial data. Amazon Kinesis, a platform for streaming data on AWS, offering powerful services to make it easy to load and analyze streaming data. AWS Analytics Services. 2. Amazon Data Firehose, a service for reliably loading streaming data into data lakes, data stores, and analytics services. Amazon Managed Service for Apache Flink, a fully managed service that makes it easy to build and run applications using Apache Flink. Amazon Kinesis Data Streams, a massively scalable and durable real-time data streaming service. Amazon Kinesis Video Streams, a service that makes it easy to securely stream video from connected devices to AWS for analytics, machine learning, ML, and and other processing. Amazon OpenSearch Service, an Elasticsearch-compatible service offering easy to deploy, operate, and scale Elasticsearch on the AWS cloud. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless, a serverless option for Amazon OpenSearch service that automatically scales resources to match the workload. AWS Analytics Services. 3. Amazon Redshift, a fast, scalable data warehouse that makes it simple and cost-effective to analyze all your data across your data warehouse and data lake. Amazon Redshift Serverless, a serverless option for Amazon Redshift that automatically manages the data warehouse capacity and scaling. Amazon QuickSight, a fast, cloud-powered business intelligence service for easy creation and sharing of dashboards. AWS Clean Rooms, a service that enables organizations to analyze and collaborate on sensitive data without revealing the underlying data. AWS Data Exchange, a service that makes it easy to find, subscribe to, and use third-party data in the cloud. AWS Data Pipeline, a web service for processing and moving data between different AWS compute and storage services. AWS Analytics Services. 4. AWS Entity Resolution, a machine learning service that makes it easy to identify duplicate or similar entities within datasets. AWS Glue, a fully managed extract, transform, and load (ETL) service that makes it easy for customers to prepare and load their data for analytics. AWS Lake Formation, a service that makes it easy to set up a secure data lake in days. Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka, Amazon MSK, a fully managed service that makes it easy to build and run applications that use Apache Kafka to process streaming data. AWS Container Services. Amazon Elastic Container Registry, ECR, a fully managed Docker container registry that makes it easy for developers to store, manage, and deploy Docker container images. Amazon Elastic Container Service, ECS, a highly scalable, fast, container management service that makes it easy to run, stop, and manage containers on a cluster. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS, fully managed Kubernetes service for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. AWS App2 Container, a command line tool for modernizing .NET and Java applications into containerized applications. Red Hat OpenShift Service on AWS, a fully managed and jointly supported service by AWS and Red Hat to run OpenShift container platform on AWS. AWS ML and AI Services. 1. Amazon Augmented AI, A2I, easily implement human review of ML predictions to improve model accuracy. Amazon Bedrock, a fully managed service to easily build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. Amazon Code Guru, an automated code review service that uses machine learning to identify critical issues, security vulnerabilities, and hard-to-find bugs during application development. Amazon Code Whisperer, AI-powered service that helps improve developer productivity by providing code recommendations. Amazon Comprehend, natural language processing, NLP, service to uncover insights and relationships in text. Amazon DevOps Guru, an ML-driven service that makes it easier to improve application availability by automatically detecting operational issues. AWS ML and AI Services. 2. Amazon Forecast, uses machine learning to deliver highly accurate forecasts based on the same technology used at Amazon.com. Amazon Fraud Detector, identifies potentially fraudulent online activities, such as online payment fraud and fake accounts, using machine learning. Amazon Comprehend Medical, uses machine learning to extract relevant medical information from unstructured text. Amazon Kendra, an intelligent search service powered by machine learning, making it easy to find the information you need within the vast amount of data. Amazon Lex, builds conversational interfaces into any application using voice and text. Amazon Lookout for Equipment, uses machine learning to identify abnormal equipment behavior so you can take action before machine failures occur. AWS ML and AI Services. 3. Amazon Lookout for Metrics, uses machine learning to detect anomalies in your business and operational data. Amazon Lookout for Vision, uses machine learning to identify defects in industrial products, ensuring product quality. Amazon Monitron, an end-to-end system that uses machine learning to detect abnormal behavior in industrial machinery. Amazon Personalize, provides a personalized user experience for applications using machine learning technology perfected from years of use on Amazon.com. Amazon Polly, turns text into lifelike speech, allowing you to create applications that talk. AWS ML and AI Services. 4. Amazon Recognition, makes it easy to add image and video analysis to your applications. Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed service that provides every developer and data scientist with the ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. Amazon Textract automatically extracts text and data from scanned documents. Amazon Transcribe, automatic speech recognition service to add speech to text capability to applications. Amazon Translate, natural and fluent language translation service to localize content for international users. AWS Deep Composer, a machine learning powered musical keyboard for developers to get hands-on with generative AI. AWS ML and AI services. 5. AWS Deep Lens, the world's first deep learning enabled video camera for developers. AWS Deep Racer, a fully autonomous 1/18 scale race car driven by reinforcement learning, 3D racing simulator. AWS Health Lake, transforms health data with machine learning, making it easy to store, transform, and analyze health data in the cloud. AWS Health Scribe, empowers healthcare providers to easily create accurate medical notes through automated, real-time medical transcription. AWS Panorama, a machine learning appliance and SDK that bring computer vision to on-premises cameras. Thanks for watching.